Then Pathanamthitta Sessions Court granted bail to expelled Congress MLA Rahul Mamkootathil in the third sexual assault case registered against him. The case is based on a complaint by an NRI woman who alleged that Mamkootathil befriended her through social media in 2024 and later forced her to book a hotel room in Tiruvalla, where she was sexually assaulted. The complainant has also alleged that she became pregnant following the assault and later suffered a miscarriage. Mamkootathil was arrested in this case on 11th of January from Palakkad after a judicial magistrate's court denied him bail, citing seriousness of the allegations and similar antecedents in the matter. Sessions Court granted him bail after hearing his appeal against that order. The case has been registered under Section 376 of the IPC for rape and 546 for criminal intimidation. Meanwhile, anticipatory bail plea in the first two sexual assault cases against the MLA are also pending before the Kerala High Court, which is scheduled to take them up for consideration today. Senior advocates representing Mamkootathil in the Sessions Court proceedings are expected to take up the matter, but the Sessions Court at least has now granted him bail in the third sexual assault case against him. The first two are also likely to be taken up by the Kerala High Court today. And the Sessions Court granted bail to expelled Congress MLA Rahul Mamkootathil in the third sexual assault case. And this particular incident is based on a complaint by an NRI who says that Mamkootathil befriended her in 2024, forced her to book a hotel room in Tiruvalla and later sexually assaulted her. Remember, Mamkootathil was arrested in this particular case on 11th of January. There are at least 3 cases of sexual violence, criminal intimidation against him. The Sessions Court has granted him bail. The other cases against him are to be heard before the Kerala High Court today. Will be taken up as per the schedule today. My colleague Vivek joining us with more details. Vivek, some sort of relief there for Rahul Mamkootathil as of this morning.
Yes, this is indeed a relief, for Rahul Mamkootathil, at least in the third, sexual assault case that's been registered against him. Remember, in the third case, he has been, sent to jail. He has been sent to police custody 2 weeks ago by the Tiruvalla court. In this particular case, unlike the other cases, the complainant had made very, very serious charges where she said that she has been taken to a room, a hotel, in Tiruvalla, and she was sexually assaulted under the pretext of marriage. Now, while considering that case, the earlier court had considered the digital evidences into picture and also said that the digital evidences clearly suggest that it was not consensual. Now, Rahul Mamkootathil was clearly maintaining that it was consensual relationship. But today, the lower court has found that it was indeed a consensual relationship, and there was no iota of doubt as far as this matter is concerned when it comes to rape, and that is precisely the reason why he has been granted bail at this point of time. The prosecution here has failed to submit, focus on their case, was not able to counter the allegations, the statements that's been made by the defense, at least in this particular case. Remember, this is a third case that's been filed against Rahul Mamkootathil. In the first 2 cases were also similar in nature as far as this case. In these cases, it was initially, the case was filed after an audio clip had gone viral, in television channels, following which the case was registered. A complaint was filed to Chief Minister. But in the first 2 cases, he has managed to, get bail. Now this is the third case where he has managed to get bail. Remember, he's an MLA from Palakkad. He was earlier Congress party leader, but he was expelled from the Congress party. Now that he has been granted bail, we have not got any information from the side of the complainant as what decision she's going to take or her counsel is going to take, whether they are going to file a case, against this particular order in the High Court. All those things we have no idea. But one thing is very sure, that at least at this point of time, it is indeed a relief for Rahul Mamkootathil.
Right, Vivek, thank you very much for all those details. Some sort of relief there for Rahul Mamkootathil. This is the third case in which he's been granted bail. The 3 sexual assault cases piled up against Congress MLA, who was later expelled from the party.